let's make the 12-sided dice on the bottom of your ChompSaw box.
To start, I'm going to turn on our ChompSaw and cut out along the black line. Now I'll go back in and get some of those other cuts. Now that we have everything cut out, let's go ahead and get out our scoring tool and score along these dashed lines so we can start to fold things together. And then make sure I can give them a fold backwards in this direction. Now let's do the same on the other side. Now we're ready to add some tape and fold it together. We're going to grab our double-sided tape that I have here, and I'm going to place some pieces of tape along each of these tabs that you see on the outside. Tape along these inner edges as well. Remove the top layer of tape I just put on to reveal the sticky side underneath. Now let's fold it all together. First, I'm going to tuck in these smaller triangle pieces and take them on to the piece next to them, pressing down to make sure it's really secure. Let's do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to take a look at these tabs, and I'm going to fold them onto the back side. Some you might have to tuck under so that they all align. This part can take a little bit of time, so once you feel like it's all lined up, if there are some parts you feel like might need a little extra reinforcement, you can go ahead and go back in with some tape on top, so it's extra secure. Cool. Looks ready to play. Roll the dice to get your unique challenge prompt.